Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat notification sound in Android device. So let's open Snapchat. I have two accounts in my device, so I'll send message to my another account. You can see the ring was different, and you can see in both the account the sound was different because I changed the setting. So to do that, what you have to do, go to the screen and long press on Snapchat and go to the app info. Here you can see notification, tap there. Now scroll to the messaging. Here you can see best friend messages. If you want to get different notification from your best friend, then tap there. Then you can see the sound option here, tap there, and you can browse a notification sound. Likewise for other snaps and charts, you can tap here, snaps and charts, and click on sound, browse a sound from list, and you are done. So that's it guys. Likewise you can customize the Snapchat notification sound. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.